This is question number 9 of GATE 2019 Metallurgical Engineering. The correct sequence of steel making operation is. So we have been given basic oxygen furnace, ladle furnace, vacuum degassing, continuous casting, and we have to arrange them in a correct sequence. So we will go one by one. So the first one is like for producing steel, we use basic oxygen furnace. So the output of this basic oxygen furnace is liquid steel. So liquid steel, and this liquid steel is like a normal one. In order to produce a very high grade steel, you have to give further treatment for to this liquid steel, and that further treatment is done in secondary steel making process. And for that you have to take this liquid steel to the ladle furnace. So at the ladle furnace, what we have is we have electrodes, basically 3 electrodes made up of graphite, and these electrodes will be heating the liquid steel present in our ladle. So the main purpose of this ladle furnace treatment is basically reheating the liquid steel by electric power, right, which is conducted by graphite electrodes. And then due to this reheating, this homogenization of steel temperature as well as the chemistry homogenization through inert gas rinsing, that can be also done, can be possible, right. Other than this, refining like deep desulfurization or dephosphorization are also possible here at ladle furnace. So after this ladle furnace treatment, what we do is, if some gases are entrapped in this ladle furnace, so we will go for this vacuum degassing process. So vacuum degassing is done. So at the vacuum degassing, what happens is, like, the main purpose of this vacuum degassing earlier was that to remove the hydrogen from the liquid steel. But nowadays, like, we are using this vacuum degassing to remove the gases like oxygen as well as nitrogen along with the hydrogen present in the steel. And especially this vacuum degassing is important if you are producing a very low carbon or ultra low carbon steel with carbon content, let's say, like less than 30 ppm. Then in that case, this vacuum degassing is done. So after you are done with the vacuum degassing, we go for the final process, which is casting, that too continuous casting. Continuous casting. So the correct sequence for steel making operations are: first is basic oxygen furnace, followed by ladle furnace, then vacuum degassing, and then at last it is continuous casting. So the correct answer for this problem is option A. Thank you.